Go up or down the stairs? Which one? Up the stairs or down the stairs? Or dance up the stairs? Stairs. Door. I hope you're enjoying the cookbook. It's more romantic for me. Stairs. Stairs. F***ing studio. You have to excuse all the noise. I don't live here. I work in a communal block of studios, and mine is underneath the stairs next to the main entrance. So obviously, it's also a hippo market here. So I get a lot of hippos. That's rude. That's not a weight comment. It's a sound comment. People sound very, very loud. Pot or billy can. Stairs. Relentless. So you have your pot, COOKSET, which is a monster. It's definitely sturdy. Fucking stairs. Door. Yeah, very sturdy. The Svea 123R, as you know, I love it. I took it out with me on a f***ing stairs. I shouldn't get angry. They're only stairs. This is why I usually do these videos late at night, by the way. It's not the smallest of the Pocket Rocket range. Stairs. Door. It's not the smallest of the Pocket Rocket range. Stairs. One day. Right, and that's designed to... Stairs. Just move up or down the stairs. Go up or down the stairs. Which one? Up the stairs or down the stairs? Or dance on the stairs? Or come through the stairs? Come on, you've got this. We done? We're done, right. Fry in water. The great thing about having the two pots is that you can get up the stairs or down the stairs, please. Hopefully we'll accumulate in quite a reasonable stairs piece of shit, so that you can stay tuned for more episodes of Off the Beaten Pots. Sort it out in the edit.